Okay everybody, welcome back. So today I'm going to go over actually a really slept on VST inside of FL Studio. This is Flex. I'm going to go over how to use it, what it's capable of, and I'm going to demo some sounds along the way. So let's get into it. So Flex is a preset based synth that's capable of subtractive, wavetable, multi-sample, FM and AM based synthesis. The whole idea around Flex is that you're able to focus on creating music instead of fiddling around with a bunch of knobs. However, you are given a few knobs to play around with and tweak to your liking. But once you've wrapped those around your head, it actually becomes really intuitive. Alright, firstly we're going to look for some presets. So you've got Packs, Free and Store over here. So Packs is what you've already got. You start off with when you've installed FL Studio. Free here is things you can download just by clicking over here and hitting download, and then Store is things you can buy, like expansion packs, whatever that you can buy. Now it's pretty reasonably priced, so that's not bad at all really. I don't know, they might be alright to be honest. I might have to do a video on that actually, but we'll see. I'm just going to stick with the packs that I've already got installed right now. So I'm going to come to all and I've got everything installed, so 468 you can see. Now I can sort this by tags as well, so if I wanted an ARP with like that sort of tag, you know, I can do that, or I could search for keywords. So nothing unfortunately. Anyway, we'll move on. I'm gonna look for maybe a choir, that'll be nice. It's alright, that's whatever. I can work with that. So up here, in the top left, what we've got is a Flex logo. Once I play something though, you can see it turns into a sort of waveform viewer. I can switch this view up here. So we've got 4 different view modes there. That's pretty helpful for working out what sort of frequency you're getting even before you hit the mixer. On the left side, we've actually got some sliders that change depending on the preset you've got selected. So right now I've got EQ low, EQ mid, EQ high, chorus, tremolo rate, tremolo, vibrato rate, and vibrato. But if I change to like a church bell, bad example, might change to door. Bad example again. There we go. So just got pretty unlucky. But these have changed now. So I think there are some that are common amongst a lot of them. And some are named pretty weirdly. I'll try and find. So there we go, we've got character. That's, I don't know. You gotta, I guess, sort of trial and error to figure out what these weirdly named ones do, but it's pretty self-explanatory usually. Might go to a different sample now. Down here we've got a pitch slider, so it goes up 24 semitones or down. You can use this to make easy automation clips. You can create automation clip just like that, or you can pitch around a melody inside of here if you've got some notes down and you don't want to move them around. We've got a filter here. We've actually got 2 filters. We've got this one and a master filter. So this filter is basic, got a cutoff there, resonance and envelope and mount. Now this filter over here just has resonance and cutoff, but you've got a bunch of different modes or filter types. So I won't go through all of them, but we've got this list over here, and you can change the cutoff and resonance as well. Over here under envelopes, we've got 5 different knobs that have been copied once. We've got them controlling filter and volume envelopes. So attack, hold, decay, sustain, and release. Once you get your head around this, it's pretty helpful when trying to craft the right sound. A little example maybe. I'll change the attack. So yeah, you can mess around with these, try and figure out what these sort of do. There's a million guides on what all of these knobs do. Down here we've got delay. This is based off of 3D Delay 3. We've got time knobs, feedback knobs, mix knobs, color knobs, and a mod knob. So what color does? Color and mod are the two that confuse me when looking at this sort of plugin. Color is the cutoff frequency pretty much, so when the delay will stop working, or the frequency at what the delay will stop working, I should have said. Now the mod as well, I had a look at this, and now the mod is a sine wave modulator of the delay time. We've also got a couple different modes here, so ping pong, true stereo, and fake stereo. Again, based off of 3D Delay 3. We've got a nice reverb here. It's got decay, size, mix, color, speed, and mod knobs. So yeah, 6 options here with this reverb. Pretty feature heavy reverb. I would assume this is based off another 3D stock plugin. I could be wrong though. Could be something completely different. This limiter over here is based off of Maximus. So we've got knobs for pre and mix. And then we've got different types. So we've got normal limiter, which is hard limiting. We've got warming, which is soft saturation style compressing. Heating, which is hard saturation style compressing, or just normal saturation style compressing. And distortion, which is compression that's prone to distortion pretty much. So with this limiter, I'm actually we've got some 808s over here, so I'll get this clean 808 maybe. And I'm going to show you what this distortion would do, just a quick little effect. Actually I have custom, and I'll just play it raw. It's nice, but I add some distortion limiting, show you what that does. So that's helpful if you're trying to get like a gritty sort of sound, or you just want to compress it normally. It's pretty nice to have that built in there. And then finally we've got this out slider for the out volume. Now that is pretty much all the information you need to delve deep into Flex. I hope you enjoyed, I hope you learned something. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you later.